Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block accounts on Instagram and then also how to unblock accounts on Instagram. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to the profile page of the account that we want to block. So if it's in your feed, simply just select their username, or if you are searching for the username and you find it, you can simply select it and then you'll be on their user profile here. So once you're on the account user profile, all you need to do is select the three little dots in the top right and then go to block right here. So select block. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to block it because you won't see any of their stories or posts. Go ahead and select block and then select OK. So as you can see, none of their posts are showing up anymore and it says unblock right here. So that's how you actually would unblock this account. You would go to their profile and select unblock. But what happens if you don't remember the account username or you can't find it? So what you need to do is open up your Instagram profile by selecting the little profile icon in its bottom right of Instagram. Once you're here, open the menu by selecting the three lines in the top right. Once the menu opens, go down to the bottom and select Settings. And then once you're in Settings, go ahead and select Privacy. So in Privacy, we can see under Connections, Blocked Accounts. And then as you can see, once we're in Blocked Accounts, TechCrunch is showing up as the latest account that was actually blocked. We can select into there. And then it brings us to the TechCrunch profile page where we can select Unblock, then confirm you want to unblock this account, and then OK. Now when we refresh the page, it loads all their posts. So that's how you block and unblock accounts on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.